Scott Brown here. Today I'm doing a couple of things, but one of them is taking out old windows and putting in new ones. Alright. Remember the floating shelf and plywood wall job? Well, we haven't been able to come here because they ripped the entire road up. Alright, so the only reason I went there is because the plasterer and painter is there. And we just needed that little bit of plasterboard to go on. And now he's back into it.
Yeah, 40 mil start there, eh?
Today we are replacing the old windows that were here forever, since the start of the house. The ones we're putting in are PVC. So the way this cladding works here is solid block on the outside, and it looks to be about 100 mil thick, and then they're framed on the inside here. Here's the plan. That right there is the window, and then you got the timber frame on the inside. Our concrete battens are going to go like this over that gap. Well, when you look at it from a bird's eye view, so the dark and black is the window, and the idea is any water gets between the window and the concrete block, it hits our rebate and goes down here, and then out. Alright, so that's the idea. Concrete batten, overlapping the flashing tape timber, creating a rebate here.
Boom.
This is our cafeteria room today. You join me.
Where's Cameron? We got our donburi.
He's just down there. Do you see his van?
Yeah. Right, there's spicy chicken up the road, bro.
Shut up.
Hi mate, how's it going?
My mate, what's up, dog?
What's up, bro?
So Cameron's gonna don the Diamondback. So you're gonna try that out, eh Cameron?
Yeah, well, yeah, I gotta set up for lefty, that's the main problem.
Looking forward to your Instagram review.
Thanks, bro.
Perfect, bro. $12.30. And we've got $12.28 on the right. Like I said earlier, these windows have been here forever. Old timber windows, and they just literally just push them in. So it's a case of doing like for like. So we're replacing the windows with windows that won't rot, and we're forming this rebate with the concrete battens, so if water does get past, it doesn't go in. That's the whole idea. So we're using MS sealant. Brands appraised. Sealing of joints in blockwork, brickwork, granite, around coated and uncoated windows. So now that that's all siliconed, we'll let it dry overnight. Pop the window in for now, and then tomorrow we're going to paint on some rubberized paint.
Yep, cool out.
There's the drip there. Perfect. And this is like the head flashing effectively. It ramps out, and there's a drip line under here. So this window's a bit different. It's actually more of the traditional way these flange windows work, in that it's outside the cladding. So we have to trim a little bit of the plaster here taken the sill off already in order for it to fit properly. And it's got a very big head flashing.
Alright.
Alright, window swapped. Gonna seal it up properly later, do the whole thing. And tomorrow morning we'll take this big one out. Alright, so the window's out and the rebate is formed. Rebate, all the way around. Now that the silicone is dried on the other side, we can apply the waterproofing. What color is it? Oh damn, Smurf blood. Shit, didn't expect that. And that's a 2-coat rubberized paint. So there's your rebate all sealed.
That's not.
Yeah.
Might have to lean it out. It's got to lean out because you've got to get the jam bottom of the jam first. There you go, we're in.
Yeah.
Good.
So you can see there's nothing there, just straight hole.
I'm going to get some glue on there. I'm happy with that. What do you say?
What do you say, Pato? Are you happy? Don't drop it, man. Jesus.